Hello everyone, welcome to Accessible World Tutorials. My name is Raviteja. Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to download Aadhar card online without depending on any sighted person. Yes friends, after watching this video you no need to depending on any sighted person to download the Aadhar card. So watch this video till the end, and if you are not subscribed our channel as of now, just pause this video and click the subscribe button and right swipe select all options from the option menu. Then only if I make any new videos, that videos will jump into your notifications. Friends, your support is more important to me, and please share this video with all your visually impaired community groups and with your friends. Okay, now we will move to topic. So, how to download Aadhar card without depending on any sighted person. So, I'm opening Google Chrome browser.
Speech mode beeps. Speech mode talk. Start window. G. O. Google Chrome app. Normal cursor. New tab dash. Google. System menu. X. Toolbar. Address and search.
Okay, in the address bar we need to type download Aadhar card.
D. Google Drive. O. W. N. L. O. A. D. Download. A. A. Uns. D. A. A. R. R. Aadhar. C. A. R. R. D. D. Unselected.
Okay, I'm clicking enter.
Card. /0. This site can access your location.
So if you navigate
Normal cursor. Edit.
heading, we need to go to the first heading.
Click of mainland. Get Aadhar dash. Unique Identification Authority of India bar. Heading level 3 visited link.
Okay, get Aadhar Unique Authority of India. We need to click on this link.
Normal cursor. Alert. Get Aadhar dash. Unique.
Okay, so now we are in the home page. So we need to go to download Aadhar link. Okay, so I'm pressing tab key multiple times until I reach to download Aadhar card link.
Normal list. Check up. Aadhar and Aadhar update. List with check Aadhar. Download Aadhar visited link.
Yes, this is the link. Download Aadhar. Okay, I'm clicking enter on it.
Untitled dash Google Chrome. My Aadhar dash Unique Identification Authority of India bar government.
Yes, now we're in the page where we need to where we can download Aadhar card by providing the details. Okay, so here three options are there. Okay, either you can download the Aadhar card using your Aadhar number or virtual ID. See, let's see the options one by one.
Clickable banner. Aadhar number radio button checked.
First one is Aadhar number.
Enrollment ID number.
Enrollment ID.
Virtual ID number.
Virtual ID number. Okay, if you are having anything out of these three, you can download the Aadhar card. So I am selecting
Banner. Aadhar number radio button checked.
Aadhar number. Okay, by default the Aadhar number is selected.
00000.
So here I need to enter the Aadhar number. Friends, before entering the Aadhar number, I want to give you a small update. That is, I am providing, along with the videos, I am providing accessibility testing course. The duration of the course will be 30 days. And short-term courses like how to access the browser, how to access Gmail, how to do trading in stock market. Okay, and these all courses I'm providing. If you are interested on any course, you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number 7731 879173 7731 879173. Okay, now again I'm back to topic.
0000000000000 edit focus blank.
So here we need to enter the Aadhar number. Okay, I'm writing my Aadhar number.
Num lock off. Num lock on. 8403754164448. 840,000,003. Edit focus blank.
So here I need to enter the capture code. Okay, the next field is capture code.
Enter captcha. Edit.
So here I no need to depend on any sighted person, but I will depend on Be My Eyes application. Okay, so already I make videos on Be My Eyes, how to use Be My Eyes in Windows. Okay.
Start window. Search window. Be my eyes. App. Be my eyes. Be my eyes window. Describe my screen left parent.
So here I need to click on describe my screen button. Okay.
Space.
So it is reading.
Please wait. Be my AI is writing a message. are on the Unique Identification Authority of India left parent, UDI right parent website. Question to ask AI.
Okay, here I will not listen anything. Here directly there is a field.
Back button.
Okay, question
to ask AI edit blank.
Question to ask here. Here I directly I will write what is the capture code. Read the capture code.
READ read EAE space CAPTURED capture CODE.
Okay.
Please wait. My AI is writing a message. The captured code in the image is quote 38Z7 quote.
Okay, this is the capture code. I'm copying it.
My screen share Zoom work run dialog NOTEPAD tech desktop list Zoom workplace for text paste less slash HTML less doc type HT text editor paste the captured code in the image is quote 38Z7 cap code in the image is quote space quote 3 8 selected 7 select quote unselected.
So I'm
Copy.
copying this code.
Zoom workplace be my eyes column my Aadhar dash my edit focus blank. Paste 38Z7.
Here I pasted.
Send OTP button.
I'm clicking on send OTP.
Alert.
Okay, I'm waiting for OTP in my mobile. Yes, I got the OTP.
337. Edit blank.
Okay, here I'm writing my other number.
337.
Sorry, OTP. 632. Okay, I have entered my other OTP.
Edit focused 337,000. Verify and download button focused.
Here is the button verify and download. I'm clicking on it and my Aadhar card will
downloading Aadhar line 0000570944752024022402210625111 line 1,507,202,000,400 my Aadhar dash unique. Congratulations, your Aadhar card has been successfully downloaded.
Congratulations, your Aadhar card has been successful. Friends, finally we have downloaded the Aadhar card. So this Aadhar card is password protected. Okay, this PDF document is password protected. The password will be your first 4 characters of your name in capital letters and your date of year. For example, if your name is George Bose, okay, and the first 4 characters GHOR, okay, and if your date of year is 1985, say JORH1985 will be your password. So this is all about our video. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. See you.